Hey there! It's been a hot minute since we last talked, and that is because I had a whole month of exam season, which was something. Today marks the end of my exams, which feels blissful, and actually, like, I've been in the room studying for the entire month and would only leave for like grocery shopping and stuff. Um, but since now that I'm done, I will have 2 weeks off, and for that, I will be going back home. But I still have 2 days. So it is Friday right now, and I'm leaving on Monday, but more like really early Monday, like at 2, 3 a.m. And so I have time to do a bunch of stuff that I really need to do. There's some admin stuff to do. There is some cleaning to do. I really need to like reorganize the entire room. Um, Not in terms of furniture, but more so in terms of like organization of the stuff in them. Um, and I need to clean out some of the stuff in the fridge. I need to clean out some of my kitchen utensils and stuff like that. I really want to come back to a fresh space, and so that is why I need to do a bunch of stuff like that. Today, though, specific, like a task to do, is to celebrate the birthdays of two of my friends. No, they're not born the same day. No, they weren't born last week or this week or today or yesterday or tomorrow. Um, Both of their birthdays were during exam season, and we didn't get to do anything. Of course, they're also leaving for home. It's gonna be too much time, too long. We're also gonna be kind of celebrating that we are done with exams. And that is why I bought the cake already, and it's a tiramisu. But I do not have the candles, so I need to go get the candles. So I think I broke my lighter because it doesn't go down anymore. One little like drop of the candle fell on it, so I borrowed one from my friend, and yeah, we'll continue. It's supposed to look like this, because I need to be sneaky with it, and just pop them on really quickly, light them really quickly, and then bring them. So there we are. The most beautiful part of this is that they're both not expecting anything. So it's gonna be nice. We were supposed to come back to my room to watch a movie, but I told them both to get some snacks. I was kind of in a pickle because I couldn't just get the cake out of the fridge right in front of them. So I was like, oh, does anyone want to get like snacks or something? It's in my room right now, the cake. I'll get them to sit down. I'll be like, oh, let me get my something. And then light the candles and then bring it to them. And afterwards, we're gonna watch Knives Out. If you haven't seen that movie, you have to watch it. It's absolutely gorgeous. One of my absolutely favorite movies ever. I think I watched it like 4 or 5 times. So they're here. Okay, it is almost 12 and I finished everything that I wanted to do that are like on the desk type of stuff. I am done with them, and now it is time to actually get up and do the biggest, arguably, task of all, which is deep cleaning my room. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm pretty sure I can finish today. I'm so sleep deprived. I'm so tired. This is not a recommendation or glorification of sleeping less or sleeping very little. I just miss my friends. It had been almost 2 months since we last had a like normal conversation that didn't concern exams or that we were away, and we are going to be away for 2 weeks. So we kind of just unleashed everything that we wanted to talk about for the entire time. And I'm so happy that they are both a part of my life. They're both amazing girls, and I'm just so grateful for their presence. So yeah, these are my updates, and I am so tired. I really don't want to get out and do anything, but I also want to clean everything and organize stuff. One thing is I don't know how to film this because it is absolutely diabolical, the fact that I do not have a tripod, and this is my phone that was like flipping broke. I can't just like prop it anywhere. We're gonna figure something out. Yeah, so actually let's quit talking and do our thing. Okay, so I put all of my clothes that need to be folded and put in shelves on the bed, and I'm going to wipe the shelves and put these back in. So I have all of my jewelry in this thing. Here I have my chunkier necklaces. Here I have a smaller pieces, and I have these like mini bag thingies where you just put 1 or 2 necklaces at a time, and it is actually really nice and smart. And I just put all of them in here, so you can hang it like this. And in the bottom I have like smaller clips, and here I have like claw clips and hair ties like this. And I also have this little box which has smaller hair ties all together. This is my favorite thing. It's obviously for like traveling purposes, but it works so well. I don't hang it, I just close it, which I'm gonna show you now. It's like so. I just close it and then put it in my closet like this. 5:30 and I have been writing some scripts and seeing how to like plan stuff and things like that, because I have 2 weeks when I'm home and can do these things, so I need to make it as easy as possible when I'm actually there. I think I planned 5 videos and I think it looks amazing so far. Good morning. It is 2 a.m. I have to get ready. I slept a few hours, which is why I feel, a little bit more normal as opposed to like, I don't know, dying out of complete exhaustion. But yeah, to be honest with you, like I should be eating and I will, but I'm not even hungry because I ate so much yesterday and it's just been a few hours. So, but I'm scared of like getting hungry out of nowhere in the middle of the flight or something, and I don't want to eat flight food. So